This is the connector for the telescoping one. It's called a terminal cover. Service. Maybe they're all called service. This is a terminal cover. Service part, maybe that's just part of the name they put on there. It's just a little small connector. I found it easiest to have the wand fully extended. Got a couple of clips right here that come out. Two little plastic clips, and that lets this cover plate slide down towards the power head, and see, lift up the top end of it and slide it up and off. And that exposes the connector right there. I feel like it's kind of fragile, so I try to be careful with that electric ribbon. It pulls right out. New one slides right in. I'm sure this is probably pretty fragile, so I'd go pretty easy with it. And you start the bottom end of this cover underneath the piece of plastic down here. If you look inside, you can see how these latches are angled to go into their receiving fastening holes there, and then these got two tangs that go into the end cover to secure it, so you can figure it out pretty easy. So you get all the little tangs lined up, slide it forward, put these two locking tabs back in position. And that takes care of that. And hopefully it's good for another 5 years.